go, people. Moment of truth time. Welcome back. We're gonna get into starting this thing up. So probably take a minute, crank for a bit. We'll see. Might fire right up. I highly doubt it though. We need fuel at the very least. Fuel at the very least. So you're here with us. We'll put you over here. You get a front row seat. How long are you gonna stay up though? We'll see. Oh, not always. Yeah. Okay.
It went out.
What?
The video.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Sounds good though. Runs. Sounds good. Let's see what that code's about. Maybe I forgot to plug something in, but I don't think so. Okay, so question I'm being asked, what is to plug into oh, really? The dumbest thing. All that preparation, we'll check into that. I forgot to plug that. Last but not least. Yes, good. It says my right rear tire has 254 psi. Alright. Well, that's going to do it for this project. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Join us. Come back for the conclusion here. We're going to go back through and just do a once over on everything, make sure everything's all good, take the test drive, and yeah, there you go, it's in. So yeah, thanks for joining us.